Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You start by connecting your iPhone, iPad, or camera to the Mac, then unlock the device and tap Trust if prompted. Once connected, open Photos so the Import panel appears. This lets Photos index thumbnails immediately. Make sure your Mac has enough free space and that iCloud Photos isn't actively syncing large changes. If it is, pause or wait briefly. Now select the device in the Photos sidebar to reveal all items ready for import and pick a destination album. You'll now select the photos and videos you want. Click to pick singles or shift-click for ranges. Press Import All to grab everything. Once selected, choose the album or create one so items land where you expect. This keeps your library organized. If you want to remove originals from the device, check Delete after import. While importing, watch the progress indicator and let large videos finish. If duplicates surface, stop and use the Import tab's Detected Duplicates view to resolve them safely. Once import completes, confirm photos are in recently added and the album you chose. Open a few to check metadata and live photo behavior. If you want copies across devices, enable iCloud Photos so everything syncs. Otherwise, export originals to a folder for backup. If something goes wrong, import stall, devices not recognized, or missing files. Restart both devices, update Mac OS/iOS, unplug and reconnect with a different cable, or use image capture as an alternative import route to recover stubborn files.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.